Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the account that held your contacts. This is the quickest recovery path. Open Settings, go to Accounts, and verify iCloud or Google appears and Sync for Contacts is active. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and plug your device in so sync completes without interruption. Make sure Contacts permission is allowed for any backup app you used previously. This prevents access errors. Now you're ready to force a manual sync or initiate a restore, which we'll do next. You will force a manual sync to pull contacts back immediately. Go to Accounts, select the account, and tap Sync Now. This pushes server data to your device. Then open Contacts and use Groups or Settings to ensure all accounts are visible. Sometimes contacts hide if an account is unchecked. If that fails, sign into iCloud. Com or Google Contacts on a browser and use the Restore Contacts or Undo Changes feature. Then rerun the device sync to pull the restored set down to your phone. Finish by verifying every contact appears and recent changes are present. If some entries are missing, clear the Contacts app cache or refresh the view. This forces a UI update. Make sure the account uses the correct password and re-add it if sync keeps failing, because credential issues block restores. As a fallback, export a vCard from iCloud or Google and import it to your device. This recovers entries when sync won't cooperate. If problems persist, restart the device and rerun the sync once more.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.